Hello and welcome. Today we're going to go ahead and start in our mountain position. Spread your toes wide, fingers wide, feet hip length apart, shoulders down. Big breath in and out. Again, breathe in and out. On your next inhalation, you're going to breathe your arms all the way up. And then breathe out, hands through heart center. Again, breathe your arms all the way up. And then hands out through heart center. On your next in-breath, you're going to go ahead and squat into chair pose. You want to be back on your heels so that your toes can come up off the floor. Just breathe here. You can do it. On your next in-breath, go ahead and stand up and breathe out. Breathe your arms straight up and bend to the right. Make sure you keep your shoulders open. You're just stretching your side body. We're waking that body up. Breathe in and exhale through to the left. Shoulders open, just breathe. And then you're going to breathe in and exhale. You're going to go back into chair pose. Breathe your hands through heart center. Big breath in. Exhale and twist. Place your elbow on your knee. Push your hands together and try and look up if you can. Breathe through heart center. Exhale, elbow to the other knee. On your next inhale, go ahead and untwist and stand straight up. Come back into your mountain pose. We're going to go into tree pose, so start shifting your weight over to the right foot and place the left foot as high as you can. It can be on the calf, on the upper thigh, wherever you are is where you're meant to be. You can stay hands in prayer pose, you can extend. Just try and find some stillness. Relax your shoulders. Just breathe. If your arms are extended, go ahead and place them back in prayer position over your heart and slowly release the leg. Now we're going to go ahead and do the other side. So start shifting your weight over. Ground that foot. Place your opposite foot as high as it will go. Find your spot. Find your balance. Extend your arms wide. Relax the shoulders. Find stillness. And just breathe. Go ahead and place your hands back at heart center. Carefully replace that foot. We're going to go ahead to the top of our mat. Breathe that left leg up. Step back far as you can and go straight into Warrior Two. Make sure that your heels are lined up. Relax the shoulders. Open them wide. Look out over those fingers. On your next in-breath, you're going to straighten your front knee and then go into reverse triangle. So place that back hand as far down on the leg as you can go. Stretch the side body. Keep your shoulders open. And then from here, we're going to go into regular triangle. So arms in a T, hinge at the hip. Make sure your shoulders are in line, and then open them wide. Look up if that's where you are. On your next in-breath, stand up. Turn those toes to the front of the mat. Deep breath in and fold forward, hinging at the hips. You can place your hands on the mat. You can grab opposite elbows. Relax the head. Just hang out here for a second. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Feel the stretch. Find some stillness. On your next in-breath, you're going to go ahead and stand up slowly. Turn the opposite toes out, and you're going to go ahead into Warrior Two on the opposite side. Open the shoulders, look out over the fingers, adjust as necessary. Then we're going to go into our reverse triangle on the other side. So you're going to straighten your knee, flip your hand, go into that reverse triangle to stretch that side body. Keep it nice and open. Next in breath, go ahead, hinge at the hips and come into your regular triangle. Roll those shoulders open. Go ahead and come on back up to the center. Turn those toes to the top of the mat. And fold forward again. Again, placing the hands on the mat. Relax the head. Find some stillness. Just breathe. We're going to go into a wide-legged twist. So you're going to take your left hand and put it on your right leg, wherever you can grab. And then you're going to open your shoulders and twist. Wherever your twist is where you are meant to be. Just breathe. You're going to walk your hands through the center, right leg, right arm to left leg, and twist. Open those shoulders. Try and relax. Come back to the center and slowly breathe up. Hands to heart center. Exhale to a nice big yogi squat. Take a few breaths here. Breathe, stand up. Take a few breaths here. Center yourself. And then on your next exhalation, you're going to go all the way down. Use those elbows to widen those hips. Take a couple of breaths here. Find some stillness. Just breathe. On your next in-breath, you're going to go ahead and stand up. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through dancer pose. So go to the top of your mat. Place all your weight in that right foot, just like going for tree pose. Put that left foot behind and grab with the left arm. Put your hand up for balance. Find your balance here. Then slowly raise that left foot up as high as you can go. And bend at the hip. Try and find some stillness here. Slowly come back. Release the left foot. We're going to go ahead and do the right. So put all your weight in that left foot. I like to put my hand up for balance. Left arm or right arm grabs the right leg. And find your balance, then raise it up slowly, bending at the hip. Wherever you are is perfect. You are where you're meant to be in this journey. Try and find some stillness, and then slowly release. Exhale all the way down. Grab those hips or those knees and rock back and forth. Give yourself a little low back massage. Hug your knees to your chest. Put your legs straight up in the air. Point and flex your toes a little bit. Do some nice ankle circles if that feels good. Then grab the outsides of your feet and pull them down for a nice happy baby. Pull your knees towards your armpits. Rock if it feels good for you, or you can just stay still. Take some nice deep breaths here. Release your feet. Go ahead and hug your knees to your chest. Extend the left leg long, keep the right, and then we're going to roll over for a nice supine twist. Find some stillness here. Take some nice big relaxing breaths. On your next inhale, you're going to go ahead, untwist, hug the knee to the chest, extend it long, hug the left leg to the chest, roll it over for a nice twist. Take some nice big inhalations and exhalations. Inhale the leg back to center. Give it a nice squeeze. And we're going to go ahead and get set for our Savasana. This is where you get comfortable. You relax those toes out to the side. Let your body melt into the mat. This is your time. This is your moment. Take nice, relaxing, deep breaths until you feel your body melt into the mat. and start to deepen your breath. Bring awareness back into your body. Start wiggling your fingers and toes. Take a nice big overhead stretch. Roll onto one side. Cradle your head in your hands. On your next inhalation, go ahead and sit up. Cross legs. Hands on your knees, palms up. Big breath in and out. I want to thank you for choosing to join me in your practice today. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much. Namaste.